Ghost is in control. Actually, the captain is upstairs. You can see that the throttles on the left are moving and the shifters are on the right. Port engine is forward, starboard engine is in reverse. If you look out the window, you can see how we're spinning. Camera's confused. I have to look at one or the other. So those are both forward now. And we can watch the throttles. You can hear the engines.
Most likely it's in the fuel rack and the modulator. Yeah, I told you I'm the bearer of bad news, but this isn't even that bad of news. It just means we can't finish today. It's not like I couldn't say it's turbo stuck or anything. The engine's not smoking, there's really no blow by or anything. So
If you want to learn more about Detroit diesels, engine surveys, and boat surveys,
it's just in the fuel rack, so it's in a
ask Captain Chris.
pretty significant area.